I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor T. First, connect your Trezor T to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, navigate to the official Trezor website and download the Trezor Suite application. This software is essential for managing your device. Once installed, launch the Trezor Suite and follow the simple on-screen instructions to begin the initial setup process for your new hardware wallet. Now, let's create your wallet. The Trezor Suite will guide you through generating a new wallet and displaying your recovery seed. This seed is a crucial set of 12 or 24 words. It's vital to write these words down precisely and in the correct order. Remember, this seed is the only way to recover your funds if your Trezor T is lost or damaged, so keep it extremely safe and private. Next, you'll set up a strong PIN. This PIN protects your device from unauthorized access. When sending or receiving cryptocurrencies, the Trezor Suite makes it straightforward. To send, simply enter the recipient's address and the amount. For receiving, generate an address within the suite. Always confirm all transaction details, including the address and amount, directly on your Trezor T screen before finalizing. Beyond basic transactions, the Trezor T offers advanced security features, such as passphrase protection, which adds an extra layer of security to your wallet. It's also important to keep your device's firmware updated to ensure optimal performance and security. Always download updates and software only from the official Trezor website to avoid any potential risks. Your digital assets deserve the best protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.